Hi Tom.
Hi dude.
I am going to buy a slitter for 0.5 vinyl film. Any machine recommend?
This film is really thick, it's almost as thick as a sheet. How about this one, HFQC 1300?
Any picture?
Surely.
Any video for it?
Let me check. Please see this video. We made this machine for one EU client last year. 0.5 thick vinyl strip. 13 with sliding friction shaft, which solves the winding problem caused by uneven thickness of plastic film. The material runs on the machine, facilitating observation of the material and reducing the possibility of material contamination.
Exactly what I want. Email me the details and price.
Yes, sir.